Guys, now that you have your indicator and your strategy set up on your computer, this is how you use it. Okay, you need to take very good notes because there are some things that you want to learn. First of all, you want to make sure you are always on the 1 minute chart up here. Okay, because this is scalping. It is done on the 1 minute chart. This is not something you want to set a trade and leave. Okay, this is something that while you're using this, you want to stay plugged in and watching the whole time. Okay. Another thing that you need to know is every day between 3 and 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, the indices markets close. So you want to make sure that you have exited from every trade that you are in before that 3 p.m. Central Standard Time hits, because you do not want to get stuck in a trade. When it reopens, there's going to be such a gap. I mean, that one mistake right there could blow your entire account. Okay. Another thing that you need to know is when you see the markets sideways like this, stay out of it. Okay. This isn't consolidation, and it's just way too risky. Now, the one thing that I do want to point out to you guys is this right here. This line that goes from blue to red to blue to red to blue, this is your entry indicator, okay? When it goes blue to red, you are looking for a sell, okay? When it goes from red to blue, you are looking for a buy, okay? Now, what we like to do is we like to have confirmation, okay? Confirmation. And how you get the confirmation is you're going to see, just say in this instance right here, where it went from red to blue, you know you're going to be looking for a buy, okay? Confirmation is going to be when these two moving averages lines, when they cross, okay? So when they cross, then you know that's confirmation that you can enter your buy. Let's scoot the screen over just a little bit so we can see this whole move on this. Back just a little bit more. Right, perfect. Okay. So you've seen it went to blue here. You've seen these cross. So you enter right here. And when you enter, you can stay in this thing as long as these two lines have not crossed back over, okay? They're farther apart, these lines are, the stronger the sell or buy that you're in is. But do not be afraid, guys, to close and take your money out, okay? Because you can always find, a re-enter. So, like, when this dropped right here, if you were nervous, by all means, take your money, okay? Close the trade out, because you'll see what happened later on was it went back into a buy. This is very far apart, and you could still enter into the trade, okay? And you could stayed in the trade. Let's scoot the screen over just a little bit more. Actually, you could have stayed into this trade until they crossed again right here, okay? But like I said, if you see this turning red and you want to take your money, by all means, go ahead. And if you had did that, let's just measure this. If you want to measure your pips, okay, this little crosshair tool right here, like we entered, say right here, and we followed it all the way. Just say you held until they crossed again right here, and you got out. Okay, that is first 226 pips. If you had got in right here at the enter where they crossed, and you rode it all the way up until, say you got nervous when this red hit, Well, that's 21 pips right there. And on indices, 21 pips is a lot of money, okay? Let's see if we can find a sale. Let's scroll back a little bit and see if we can find a sale. I know, right here would be a good one. No, not really. Okay, no, not. Keep going back. I know that this market has been straight bullish. Okay, let's see. Here's a good one. Okay. You're going to see right here, your entry indicator went from blue to red. So you know that you're looking for a sale. Okay? And then you get confirmation right here when these two MAs cross to go ahead and enter your sale. Okay? So you could follow this all the way over. Let's go over just a little bit more. All the way over until they cross again right here. By all means. Now scoot back just a little bit more. Yeah. Let's say back. Okay. Yeah, right there, right there. Yeah. No, just a little bit. Go back a little bit more to the forward. This move right here is what over here is what we're looking at. Yeah, where we entered. Okay, perfect. Okay, so if you had seen this go from blue to red, you entered right here, you know, and you followed it all the way down. And say you got nervous when you seen this, and you got out. When that turned blue, that's a cool 29 pips. And on indices, that's a lot of money, okay? And then just say, you know, you seen it, the entry go from blue to red again. Well, there's a lot of space in between here. So the sale that you took is still strong. You could have entered again down to here. I lost it. Hold on. This crosshair is kind of tricky. Okay, yeah, there we are. And caught another 13 pips. So I don't want anybody to jump in their live account with this. I want you to do it in demo until you're absolutely certain that you've got it and that you have no questions for us. The big thing is just remember, when it goes from blue to red, you're looking for a sale. And then you're looking on confirmation for these two MAs to cross. And then let's get over just a little bit more. When it goes from blue to red, from red to blue, you're looking for a buy. And then you're waiting on confirmation. Sorry. Red to blue, you're looking for a buy. And then you're looking on confirmation for these two to cross, to enter. And then, like I said, you can stay in this either till these cross again or until you get uncomfortable that this is changing. Easy peasy. It is not complicated. I do want you in demo, and practice until you're absolutely confident that that you have got this strategy down. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free just to contact Cameron or myself, and we will be more than happy to help you. Thanks a lot, guys.